Welcome back to Food Related. In today's video, we're going to be using the PizzApp to make the best dough you've ever tasted.
So in the previous video, I went over how to use the PizzApp and its different functions and the definitions amongst it. So using the ingredients that we weighed out, started off just using a mixer to bring all the ingredients together, and once everything was mixed together, we just started to knead it by hand. So I want to knead the dough until it becomes nice and springy and nice and smooth, and this took about 5 to 10 minutes. So the ingredients I had was enough for 12 dough balls, so what I did was divided it nice and evenly, or as evenly as I could, and then just carefully folding all the edges in and then rolling into nice little dough balls which we could leave to prove. So I've got my 12 almost evenly sized dough balls, excuse a few of the smaller ones, but we've got some kids who can eat those. And now we're going to prove them for 24 hours and then cook them up in the pizza oven tomorrow. Now in hindsight, I probably should have left a bit more space between the dough balls, and I would have done it on 2 trays if I was to do it again. So I wanted to give you a quick overview of how this dough tastes. You can see the air bubbles in the dough. It's like a super chewy texture, it's got lots of flavour. Well worth the 24-hour effort of proving. So if you like this video, smash the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and check out some of the other content below.